Hi everyone, welcome to UT Optical AOC and Optic Module Factory. Now, follow us to see the factory. This is changing room. Only after we put on the bacteria-proof smock can we enter the laboratory. Now let's enter the air shower to avoid bringing dust into the laboratory. The wind is blowing. Now this is the complete picture of our laboratory. We can divide the laboratory into 4 areas. This is the area where we set a lot of automatic machines, including chip mounters and high-precision wire bonders, etc. We will introduce them later in this video. The second and third area is where we do our manual work, like manual coupling or testing. The last area is an independent space. We do the final package for optical modules there. Now, let's get a closer look to each step of the manufacturing. Here we go! The first step is the product firmware download. It's easy to understand, which means system upgrade. The second is the die bonding. We use this machine to patch the ultra-small chips to specified position and fix them. This machine is also for die bonding, but in higher precision. The third step is wire bonding the chips. People familiar with PCB can better understand this step, and this machine is to bond those gold wire on the chips. Next step is the final work for the chip. We are inspecting the chip with high-resolution electron microscope. After the inspection, we will send those chips for coupling. We have 2 methods to connect the light path, which is coupling, manually and automatically. Today, we are showing the latter one to you. After the chip is prepared, we will do packaging for AOCs and transceivers. The workers are assembling a transceiver for an AOC cable. Let's see how he is doing it. After assembly, we insert the AOC to a testing machine to see if it's working normally in high-temperature environment. A testing machine can examine 1 or more products at a time. The AOCs are well prepared when assembly and testing is done. After putting it into the anti-static bag, the products now end all its manufacturing steps before shipping to you.